investor. You think the market cares about your feelings? Get over yourself. You call it tough market, I call it Tuesday. You fear the dip? That's why your portfolio is tasteless. You want the bear to tuck you in and sing you a lullaby? Remember, no burn, no earn. You think you can just sit on your ass and let others do the hard work for you? Well, luckily you can. Just use CopyTrader. Open your eToro app, find your favorite investor, hit copy. And now, whatever they trade, you trade automatically.